Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include leather seats, heads-up display, steering wheel controls, USB audio interface, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2015 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear parking aid, rear wheel drive, remote trunk release. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.